I'm Sam Legrand, EMEA Field CTO here at ControlUp. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to use our ControlUp AI Assistant. Our AI Assistant for IT operations helps IT admins receive immediate, actionable answers to issues their employees are experiencing. With it, IT teams receive context-rich answers across data sources to troubleshoot devices, query performance metric, check monitoring and testing data, and receive automation suggestion. Instead of context switching between tools, logging into multiple consoles, and manually correlating data, the AI assistant helps you connect dots across your environment to resolve issues quickly. So let's dive into an example. Say an IT admin wants to understand what action they should prioritize to improve their employee digital experience. They would go to the ControlUp dashboard, click on the AI assistant, and type in their query. From there, what happens is the AI assistant is going to connect to an MCP server and gather all the data needed to reply to that question. So it will use different tools that are available to him, like a list device, application crashes. We look also at Blueprint, for example. That's what he's doing now. And then he will go module by module and find what I should focus on for next week as I asked. Now he's going to show you a few reports like slow logon and blue screen and application crashes. Looks like application crashes is contributing a lot to the bad score. So I guess he will propose to focus on that. As you see, that's the critical thing. Then he says that the blue screen are also important. And yeah, he's kind of prioritizing that. So we try to focus first on the like immediate crisis management. So in the morning, he proposed to look at the Xerox. That's the easiest one. Then he will go to the Dell Tech Hub, which affects much more machines. So that's what he recommend to. Then work stability, fix the MSTSC.exe, so the remote desktop crashes, and maybe found like some other crashes. So day by day, I have like what I need to focus on. Instead of trying to do it by myself, the AI helps you to do a better job. Let's have a look at another use case. Say a customer wants to know if a device needs to be upgraded. We'll prompt the AI assistant for this. Here I'm using my username. So it will first have to define or detect which machine I'm using. So it will use the list device tool. As soon as he found the machines, I have two on that environment, it will get the different information that it requires to have a proper assessment. And as soon as he get that, he will create the report. So here he has all the data. So we create visualization, found that we do have like I have a better score or better deck score in that machine than in this one. So that looks like the MacBook is performing better than the cloud PC. I have all of that, and it will find that I have two main problems. The first one is the cloud PC. I need more RAM, so I only have 4 gigs. Most of it is being used, and like the recommendation would be to go to 8 gigs of RAM for optimal performance. That's the first one. The second one is an advisory, and it's about the battery that is on the Mac. So my MacBook start to be quite old. It's still performing well, but the battery is below 80%. So that's what it will recommend. And it will have like an action item list, which is immediately change the RAM for the cloud PC, look at replacing the battery within 3 or 6 months, and like in the meantime, monitor it. And yeah, consider replacement for the MacBook Pro because it start to be old. That's how AI assistant is helping IT team to get a better service to their end user. I hope you like this video and like thank you very much.